Have you ever stopped to consider the significance of bridges in our daily lives? The odds are probably not. Yet these seemingly humble structures are far more than mere pathways that help us cross over rivers, valleys or roads. They are the silent enablers of our modern world, serving as vital arteries of transportation, facilitating trade and connecting communities. Imagine for a moment a world without bridges. It's a world where cities are isolated, trade is hampered, and simple journeys become complex endeavors. The bridge, in its elegant simplicity, solves these problems, providing a solution that is both practical and at times breathtakingly beautiful. They are designed by the ingenious minds of civil engineers who pour their knowledge and creativity into creating structures that can withstand the forces of nature while serving their fundamental purpose. The process of designing and constructing a bridge involves a delicate balance of science, art, and a deep understanding of the natural environment. Each bridge is a testament to human ingenuity, a physical manifestation of our ability to overcome obstacles and connect disparate points. They are symbols of progress, of unity, and of our relentless pursuit to make the world a smaller, more accessible place. Yet for all their importance, bridges often go unnoticed and unappreciated. We drive or walk across them without a second thought, oblivious to the complex interplay of forces at work that keep us safe. The intricate design, the careful selection of materials, the precise calculations, all these elements come together to create a structure that can stand firm against the test of time and the elements. But bridges also hold a special place in our history and culture. They are the setting for countless stories, songs, and artworks. They are the backdrop of historic events and the symbols of our cities. They are the silent witnesses to the passage of time, standing firm as the world changes around them. Bridges, in their silent service, are the lifelines of our interconnected world. So the next time you cross a bridge, take a moment to appreciate the marvel of engineering beneath your feet and the role it plays in connecting our world. Building a bridge is a marvel of modern engineering, combining both aesthetic design and structural integrity. But how does one go from a blueprint to a fully functioning overpass? The process is both an art and a science, drawing on centuries of knowledge and experience. When we think of bridges, we often visualize the classic arch or the soaring suspension bridge. However, there are several types of bridges, each with its unique design and purpose. There are beam bridges, the simplest kind, where a horizontal beam is supported at each end. Then we have cantilever bridges, which are supported on only one end, and cable-stayed bridges, where cables attached to towers support the deck. The choice of design is influenced by factors like the span length, the nature of the terrain, and the materials available. The materials used in bridge construction have evolved over time. From stone and wood in the early days to iron, steel, and now even carbon fiber. Each material has its strengths and weaknesses, and the choice often depends on factors like load-bearing capacity, durability, and cost. For instance, steel is favored for its high strength and flexibility, while concrete is popular for its affordability and resistance to weathering. The design of a bridge is not just about creating a path from point A to point B. It's about creating a structure that can withstand the forces of nature, the weight of vehicles, and the test of time. Engineers must consider factors like wind speed, seismic activity, and even the weight of the bridge itself. They must ensure that the bridge can support these loads without deformation or failure. To achieve this, engineers use principles from physics and mathematics. They calculate the forces acting on the bridge, the strength of the materials, and the effects of environmental conditions. They use these calculations to optimize the design, ensuring safety and longevity. Every bridge tells a story of human ingenuity and perseverance, whether it's the majestic Golden Gate Bridge or the humble footbridge in your local park. Each is a testament to our ability to overcome obstacles and connect with each other. So the next time you cross a bridge, take a moment to appreciate the art and science that went into its construction. A bridge's strength is not just in its steel and concrete, but in its ability to withstand the test of time. As we delve deeper, it becomes clear that a bridge's durability is a complex interplay of multiple factors. At the heart of it all is the meticulous maintenance and regular inspection that keep a bridge standing tall. These processes are akin to the regular health checkups we humans undergo, ensuring early detection of potential issues and timely intervention. Maintenance teams work tirelessly, checking for signs of corrosion, cracks, and wear in the bridge's structure. They're the unsung heroes, ensuring these massive structures remain safe for those who traverse them daily. But it's not just the human effort that counts. The environment too plays a significant role in a bridge's lifespan. Weather conditions such as heavy rains, high winds, and extreme temperatures can all contribute to the wear and tear of a bridge. Over time, these elements can weaken even the strongest of structures. Furthermore, human factors cannot be sidelined. The weight and frequency of traffic, the impact of collisions, even the vibrations caused by passing vehicles all add up over time. These factors, though often overlooked, play a critical role in determining a bridge's longevity. The Francis Scott Key Bridge, for instance, was more than just a marvel of engineering. It was a testament to human tenacity, standing tall for nearly half a century, braving the elements and bearing the burden of countless vehicles. It withstood the test of time, until that fateful day when an unforeseen accident brought it down. Perhaps it's a reminder for us all that even the mightiest of structures are not invincible, that they too need care and attention, and that the forces of nature and human activities, if unchecked, can bring about their undoing. The resilience of a bridge is a testament to the tenacity of human endeavor. It's a testament to our ability to create, to endure, and to overcome, but it's also a reminder of our responsibility to preserve, protect, and respect these towering testaments of our achievements. The Francis Scott Key Bridge, a symbol of Baltimore's history and progress, has its own tale to tell. This monumental structure spanning the Patapsco River was more than just a gateway to the city. It was and remains a testament to the ingenuity and resilience of the people who built it and the community it served. Constructed in the late 70s, the Francis Scott Key Bridge became an iconic part of Baltimore's skyline. With its 10.9 miles of steel and concrete, it was not only a marvel of engineering but also a symbol of the city's growth and development. Named after the author of the American national anthem, the bridge served as a constant reminder of Baltimore's rich history and its connection to the birth of the nation. Over the years, the Francis Scott Key Bridge played a crucial role in the city's development. It facilitated the movement of goods and people, connecting different parts of the city and fostering economic growth. It stood as a silent witness to the city's evolution, its highs and lows, its triumphs and tribulations. But the bridge wasn't just a functional structure. It was a cultural icon featured in countless photographs, paintings, and films. It was a backdrop for celebrations, a canvas for artists, and a muse for poets. It was a part of Baltimore's identity, a landmark that represented the city's past, present, and future. The bridge also bore the name of Francis Scott Key, the man who penned the Star-Spangled Banner during the War of 1812. This connection to a pivotal moment in American history served to further cement the bridge's place in the hearts and minds of the people of Baltimore. It was a daily reminder of the resilience and spirit of the city and its people. The Francis Scott Key Bridge is not just a structure, but a piece of Baltimore's heart and soul. Its significance goes beyond its steel and concrete. It's a symbol of the city's history, its progress, and its enduring spirit. Even in its absence, the memory of the bridge continues to inspire and remind us of the strength and resilience of Baltimore and its people. And in a tragic turn of events, the Francis Scott Key Bridge recently succumbed to an unexpected disaster, a shocking moment that no one saw coming, forever altering the landscape of Baltimore and leaving a mark on its history. On a seemingly ordinary Tuesday, the silence of the early morning was shattered when a massive ship, the Singapore-flagged container ship known as the Dali, collided with the Francis Scott Key Bridge. The collision was so impactful it caused the bridge to crumble and collapse into the waters below in less than 10 seconds. The ship, owned by Grace Ocean and managed by Synergy Marine Group, had its lights turned off before the impact, only to flicker back on as it neared the bridge. The darkness of the night was split by the shocking sight of the bridge's collapse, and the aftermath was nothing short of devastating. As the dust settled and the reality of the situation sank in, the Maryland Transportation Authority confirmed the bridge's collapse due to a ship strike. The bridge, a significant landmark that had stood since 1977, was no more. The incident led to the closure of the bridge, disrupting traffic and the daily routines of countless residents. But the loss of the bridge was not the only tragedy that day. Reports came in of workers possibly in the water, leading to a large-scale rescue operation. At least 7 people were reported missing, turning the disaster into a mass casualty event. Amidst the chaos, the Maryland governor declared a state of emergency, and federal resources were deployed to assist in the rescue efforts. Now, the once busy harbor entrance lies in a state of eerie silence, the fallen bridge a stark reminder of the disaster. The investigation into the incident is ongoing as authorities work tirelessly to uncover the cause of the accident and to ensure the safety of the local community. As we await further updates on this tragic event, we remember the bridge not just for its fall, but for its years of service and the memories it holds for the people of Baltimore.